35% chance all day, and then when I got close to 5 o'clock, which it's 4:30 right now, it became 70% chance of rain. Or actually, isn't it like it's gonna for sure 100% gonna, oh, it's on my visor, it's for sure gonna rain, but 75% of the area or 65% of the area, 35. Fuck, it's wet. It's wet. It's actually wet. It hurts. Okay, it doesn't really hurt, but I feel it. It's like pecking at me. Oh, almost dropped my bike. Trying to put my phone in my pocket. I am wet. I am wet. Okay, this is my first run in with the actual rain. My pants are soaked. It smells like grass. The road is actually so wet. Oh my god. My pants are wet, bro. Brother. My brother in Christ. My pants are wet. This is not fun. Unless I had like waterproof pants or some shit, you know? God, the road is so like slick. My phone is drowning in my pocket right now. My tire's slippery. This is miserable. I am miserable. This sucks. It's kind of fun though. It's cold. It's actually cold, bro. It's cold. I hope my like DJI wire is okay. Maybe if I had like waterproof pants, it'd be fun, but that was not fun.
Yeah, no, I can't imagine. Yeah, I was like handling it.
It felt